Hello students, as we are doing the decimal chapter in our maths book, so today I am going to tell you the activity 37 which is based on decimal only. So the first question is, write the integral and the decimal part of the number in the place value chart. Now see, so these are the places 1, 10, 100. These are the places before 100 and these are the places after. These are the places before decimal and these are the places after decimal. So see, this is 245. So 2 is at 100 place, 4 as 10s place, 5 at 1s place, and 6 is at 10th place, 3 is at 100th place, and 5 is at 1000th place. See, always keep it, remember this is 1s, 10s, 100s, and after decimal position always starts from 10th. It is 10th position, it is 100th, it is 1000. Now the next is 87 B part. Few parts I am doing students and the few parts you will do as a homework. 87.26. Now 8 is at 10's place, 7 is at 1's place, then decimal, then 2 is at 10th place and 6 is at 100th place. In the same way you will do the B, D and E part. Question number 2 is, write the following number in the decimal form. The number which are in decimal, the way we read that is in the word form and the way we write that is in the digit form and that is in the decimal form. So this is 456 and 2/10. So 456, then after that decimal 2/10, it means 2 is at 10th place, so decimal 2. 6423, 6423, 6423 and 400. So there is no 10th place, so we will keep the 0. 100th place, that is 4. So 6423.04. C and D part you will do yourself. Now the question number 3 is, write the decimal in words. See, these are in words and we have written into decimal digits. Now these are digits are given, we have to write in the words. So this is 6.253. This is 6.253. Always keep it mind, after decimal we read the digits one by one, not all together. This is 0.024. The C part that you have to do yourself. Now the next is, represent the following figure as a decimal. Now you have to check is how many boxes are there. There are 3 boxes. 2 boxes are filled, that is 2. After that the third box, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is the 10. So how many it is filled? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 by 10. So it will be 4 at 10th place. In the same way you have to do the question number B yourself. Let's do the worksheet, that is activity 38. Write the place of the encircled digit. Now see, we have to write the place of encircled digit. Now after decimal 10th and 100. So 4 is at 100th place, 4 is at 100th place. 7. 7 is at 10th place. In the same way, 3 is at 1000th place, 9 is at 1st place, and 4 is at 100th place. Now see, convert the following metric system into decimal. Now 15 meter, 8 millimeter we have to convert into meter. So it will be 15 plus 8 by 1000, because 1 meter is equals to 1000 millimeters. So it will be 15.008. 125 gram into kilogram. So 125 by 1000, because 1 kilogram is equals to 1000 gram. So it will be 0.125 kg. It is meter. In the same way you will do C, D, E part. I am telling you C part, it is centimeter into meter. So centimeter, 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. This number will be divided by 100. After 2 digit we will keep the, so this will be 582.72 meter. Now question number D, divide by 1000. D and E part you will do as a homework. Now let's do the question number 3. Change the following fraction into decimal. Now as I have already said in the textual, while doing the textual exercise, 28 by 10. In 10 how many zeros are here? 1 0. So we will keep decimal after 1 digit from right hand side. 6 5 by 10. So 60. 5 by 10 is equals to 6.5. Now it is 947 by 100. So 9.47. In the same way, this will be 623 by 1000, 0.623. As there are 3 zeros in the 1000, so 1 2 3 we will put the 0. This is 46.5. H, C, F and I part you will do yourself. Now take the like fraction in each of the following. Like fraction means when after decimal the number of digit are same. See, after decimal 4 digit, after decimal 2 digit, after decimal 2 digit, and it is of 3 digit. So this and this are like fractions, like fractional decimal or like decimal. Actually decimals are also, decimal number are also fractional number. Now B part is 2 digit, 2 digit, 2 digit, and it is 1 digit. C part is 2.1, 2.101, 8.001, 4.10. So in this and this, in B part these 3 are like decimal. C and D part that you have to do yourself. Now the question number 5 is convert the unlike fraction into like decimal. Unlike decimal into like decimal. Now see, when we are converting it, now maximum is 3. So 3.455. Now it is of 2 digit. After decimal 7.13 we will put 1 0. Then 15.01, 15.010. Then 10.100. In the same way, after decimal, if the number of digit, first we will check in which decimal number the maximum digits are there. After decimal we will make like 3 digit is here, the maximum digit after 2, 2 and 1. So we will make all the decimal number up to 3 digit. Next is 365.19, 4.873, 22.4 and 12.001. So see, 365.190, 4.873, 22.400, and this is of 3 digit only, so 12.001. Next we have to write question number B and D part you will do yourself. Next we have to write the following decimal into expanded form. Expanded form, see, 36.43, so ones place is 6, tens place is 3, tenth place is 4, and 100th place is 3. In the same way, this is 200 plus 80 plus 3 plus 5 by 10 plus 0 plus 2 by 1000. In this way you have to complete the worksheet 37 and 38.